Step 1, pick a topic you already know something about. Fitness, productivity, cooking, dating, finance, it doesn't matter. If you could talk about it for 10 minutes without any notes, there's a digital product there already. Health, wealth, or relationships, that's where the money is. So pick one and move on. Step 2, find the people inside that topic who will actually pay you. Not people who are just interested in fitness. Get specific. Busy professionals who want a home workout that they can do in 30 minutes or less. Not people who want to make money online. Get specific. 9-to-5ers who want a side income without needing to quit their job. Vague topics attract browsers and tire kickers. Specific topics attract buyers. Remember, the riches are in the niches. Step 3, find out what they're already spending money on. Go look at what's selling right now. Go on Amazon. Go find ebooks, templates, courses, coaching programs. If people are paying for it, the demand is already proven. You don't need to guess. You don't need to be original. You just need to serve a market that simply already exists. Step 4, get your product. You've got 2 paths. Path 1, build it yourself. You can use AI tools like Alan AI to make an ebook, a guide, a template, and what used to take weeks now literally takes you minutes to do. The second path that you can do is don't build anything, because it turns out if you're a complete beginner and you don't want to handle customer service or building your own product, you don't need to. This path is called AI product arbitrage. There's platforms out there like Allen.store where there's done for you products that are already built, already proven, and these products pay 50 to 85% commissions. You just simply promote them. And either way, whether you make your own product or you promote someone else's product, you got something that you could sell right now today. Step 5, price it between $30 to $300. Do not underprice your stuff. Digital products have zero inventory, zero shipping, zero marginal costs. And remember, you're not selling some file, you're selling a solution to someone's problem. A $100 product, one sale a day, that's $3,000 in pure profit in a single month from just one product. Let the math change how you think about this. Step 6, set up one simple website to sell it. One headline that tells them exactly what they get, a few bullets that talk about the product, and a buy button. That's it. Wix makes this super easy. Drag, drop, and publish. Allen.store does the same thing, but it also handles your checkout and deliver automatically. Either one works. I'll leave a description where you can sign up with Wix down below, because that's honestly the easiest one you can build a website with. A live page today beats a perfect page next month. Get it up. Step 7, start posting content online at Instagram. One platform, do not spread yourself too thin, and don't worry, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. Instagram's algorithm right now is pushing new accounts and short form videos harder than ever before. That means 7 to 15 second videos are crushing and going insanely viral. You don't need any following, you don't have to ever show your face, and every post is a free sample of your expertise. The content attracts people, the product converts them. Step 8, put a call to action in every single post. Send them to your link in bio. Mention it in your stories. Say it on camera. Or if you don't want to show your face, use an AI avatar to make the content so you never have to show your face. If your content doesn't point somewhere, it's not a business, it's a hobby. The moment it does, it's a business. Step 9, post consistently. Minimum 1 post every single day. Every post becomes a permanent asset working for you around the clock. Miss a day? Fine. Miss a week? Now you're starting over. Consistency is the only cheat code that actually works. Step 10. That's it. That's the entire digital product business. Pick a topic, find the buyers, get a product, price it, build a page that can sell the product, post content, tell people about it, and don't stop. Now, stop thinking and go build something. And look, if you want me to walk you through the exact full system step by step, how do you find the right products, how to use AI to actually build and then actually sell these products, how to start getting your first few sales and then scale this thing to over $10,000, $20,000 a month, I put together a free training that breaks down everything. The link to that is in the description. It's also right here. So tap that and I'll see you on the other side.